buddy. Show me who you're hanging out with out here today. Come on, Lavender, show me your crew. We got Otto, Ella, Chai, Shaka. Otto, here. Look at Otto. Good boy, you got one too. Yeah, Otto gets to play. Good boy, Otto. You find it? I'm trying to get some grass to grow back. Where'd your ball go? There it is. Yeah, you found it. You don't like this one? Gotta. Woo. There's Otto contemplating going up into the treehouse. There's going up into the treehouse carefully. Hey, Charlie, you want it? So they found the shade. Otto's finding the shade. We're gonna find out that Lavender doesn't share his toys very well. Otto, buddy, here's one. Yeah, you got your toy? You happy? You got your ball? All right. Found a cool place in the shade to play with it. Good boy. Good dogs. Good boy. Good settle, Otto. So in an earlier clip, Otto's already been up the treehouse and back down those big scary steps. He did good with them. The gate and the door into the kitchen's open. We have fresh, large bowls of cool water for these guys.